Can you share some of the strategies involving PhonePad 7, the other product announced today?
Yeah, so you see the two products announced today. One is the T100 transformer and one is the Asus PhonePad 7, right? So if you see these two products, right, the T100 is a special category. And I want to put more weightage on that category today in the announcement. It is basically a two-in-one. So basically you can use it as a tablet or you can use it as a full-fledged notebook, right? And the strategy behind this category is that today when we were talking about the tablet segment, and for a long time, people did not have a choice in the tablet segment. Tablet segment was becoming basically a consumption device, where now people were wanting differentiation in that segment and wanted a device where they can do both the activities. They wanted to do production, they wanted to do consumption. So the two-in-one basically helps you to basically do two works at the same time. Do production using the keypad, it's a full functional keypad, do production and detach it, use it as a tablet and to use it as a pure consumption device. And the beauty about this device is it is a fully functional laptop, if I would have to say, and a fully functional tablet. You will not see any performance difference between when you use both them, right? And the key part here, and as Asus country manager also mentioned, is that this category uses the MS Office applications, right, in a seamless way. And with the power of the architecture or the SoC, Baytrail SoC, which we have provided inside this machine, it is no compromise on basic performance of the T100. So it's a fantastic category. It will cut across all segments, consumer segment, the CIO segment or the enterprise segment, and even the SMB segment. It will cut across all the three segments. And if I have to talk about the Asus PhonePad 7, it is one of the most stylish products available in the tablet segment today, right? And the key beauty of this product is it is a 3G enabled product with voice and data enabled, right? It has a highly enhanced screen on the product. It has a great battery life. So I think so the Asus PhonePad 7, you should not look at it as just a Me Too tablet. It is a tablet which gives you the best performance and the best styling in the market.
Traditionally, Asus is not strong in the enterprise side. So when do you see that response coming from the enterprise side?
I think so. Today, Asus. For me, the best answer is for Asus to give out here. But with the announcement of these products, I think so. Enterprise would definitely look at these products.